On the Manage Photos page, you'll upload and organize portraits and candid photos for your yearbook. First, on the Candids tab, you'll see that each section on the ladder has a matching folder for its photos. You can rename folders, create new ones, and add subfolders to further organize. Click Upload to add photos to the selected folder. Photos must be JPEG or PNG files. HEIC files from Apple are also supported. The toolbar has features for organizing and editing photos. Click Edit to apply corrections and fun effects. A favorite new option is the Remove Background tool, which opens up exciting design possibilities. Click the icon in the lower right corner of any image thumbnail to view photos in a slideshow. With face matching enabled, students will be tagged automatically, and you can make adjustments. You can also add descriptive captions and view information about the photo and its use. Your student portraits can be found on the Portraits tab. Click the Portrait Import button and follow the steps to import your portrait set. You'll need your portrait index.txt file. After import, you can click Edit Metadata to correct any student information. Changes will apply everywhere, and you'll be prompted to make sure changes here did not impact your portrait page designs. To redact a student from the book, for legal or other reasons, select their portrait and click Protect. Using face matching, all photos of that student will move to a protected folder and won't be available for use. Use the Photo Post feature to privately collect more photos for your yearbook from parents and students. Create a new folder, then click Invite or copy the link to share. Yearbook staff will be able to review new, candid submissions. It's that simple. Finally, on the Art tab, you can upload your own custom clip art as RGB PNG files to use in your book. Your art will appear right alongside the built-in art in the designer. Remember, photos make your yearbook. The more time you spend collecting, organizing, and preparing them, the better your final book will be.